Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes, class 10, English, that supplementary book that is Footprints Without Feet. It's 8 number chapter, it's a 6 number chapter. It's continue on the page 35, middle of the paragraph. Rest of it I am going to continue, and all of you listen well. We have seen that here Eve Wright, Richard H. Eve Wright, who was a great scientist, and the writer is Robert. Now, how they had the conversation and how about the butterfly, they have told many things. Let's discuss about in the county science fair and how there is a competition and how he faced competition, and we have to discuss here. Let's continue. The next year his science fair project was testing the theory that Bhikkhu Roy butterfly copy monarch. The monarch butterfly and Bhikkhu Roy. These are the similar looking, and the theory was that Bhikkhu Roy looked like monarch because monarch don't taste good for two birds. चिड़िए लोग monarch जो butterfly को कम खाते हैं, इसका टेस्ट कम है. But Bhikkhu Roy they like to eat too much because it's very tasty. Bhikkhu Roy on the other hand do taste good to birds. So the more they look like monarch, the less likely they are to become a bird's dinner. The both are like, but monarch is not more tested and not more eaten by these birds. Okay, so about Eve Wright, what he does. We'll discuss. Eve Wright's project was to see whether in fact birds would eat monarch. Yeah, he tried to test कि चिड़िया इसको खाते कि नहीं खाते हैं, उसका एक प्रोजेक्ट था. And he found that a starling, one of the bird, would not eat ordinary bird food. It would eat all the monarchs it could get. Eve Wright said later research by other people showed that Bhikkhu Roy probably do copy the monarch. Both are same looking, same type color. Yes. This project was placed first in the geology division and third overall in the county science fair. Yeah, this project was placed first in the geology division and third overall in the county science fair, third number. Okay. So they had the competition, and third number time Eve Wright and with his friends. Now how he had more ambition with the help of Dr. R.Q. Hart. Let's see. In his second year in high school. Now Eve Wright in the second year in high school. Let's see Eve Wright's about him. Richard Eve Wright began to research that led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone. Indirectly, it also led to his new theory on the life of cells. Now, Eve Wright got the new theory of life of cells. Yes, in biology you know about the cell. So he got the new theory about the cell, about this butterfly. The question he tried to answer was simple. What is the purpose of the 12 tiny gold spots on a monarch pupa? Now, next question he tried to answer was simple. How he answered? What is the purpose of the 12 tiny gold spots on the monarch pupa? Monarch pupa में 12 gold dots क्यों हैं? Here the question. Let's see. Everyone assumed the spots were just ornamental. तो जो spot है just ornamental means just like jewels, just like decoration. Eve Wright said, but Dr. R.Q. Hart did not believe it. R.Q. Hart जिसका जो doctor who helped Eve Wright उस बात को believe करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी. To find the answer, Eve Wright and other excellent science students first had to build a device that showed that the spots were producing a hormone. या इस स्पॉट्स से जो 12 स्पॉट्स था उसमें से क्या पैदा हुआ था? हार्मोन से कुछ हार्मोन निकलता था. लेट्स सी. Necessary for the butterfly's full development. From in these spots the hormone producing, and that was the cause of the improvement of butterfly's growth. Okay. This project won Eve Wright first place in the county fair and entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. Because of this project, Eve Wright got the first place. Okay, the very excellent discovery about the science. That's why. So he got in the county fair, got the first prize. Okay, into the International Science and Engineering Fair. There he won third place in zoology. Zoology में तीसरा स्थान मिला. He also got a chance to walk during the summer at the entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Now, in other place also, he had to do some work. He got chance in other places. His name is, in summertime he got the chance to do the work. That's name is entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Okay, the place name you have to remember. As a high school junior, Richard Eve Wright continued his advanced experiments on the monarch pupa. Monarch pupa. Pupa is the smallest form. In the time of high school, he studied more. He researched more. Let's see. That year, his project won first place at the International Science Fair and gave him another chance to work in the Army laboratory during the summer. Okay. Now, that year also, he got first prize. Second time. उनको और चांस मिला कहाँ? टू वर्क इन द आर्मी लेबोरेटरी ड्यूरिंग द समर. समर के टाइम में आर्मी लेबोरेटरी में काम करने के लिए उनको चांस मिला सेकंड टाइम. ओके. इन हिज सीनियर ईयर ही वेंट टू स्टेप फर्दर. सीनियर ईयर मीन्स नेक्स्ट ईयर. या और आगे बढ़ना है. वेरी नाइस कि हर स्टेप में और नया जानकारी लेना है. लाइफ डिफरेंट फेज ऑफ लाइफ टू इम्प्रूव अगेन अगेन. He grew cells from a monarch's wing. मोनार्क की विंग से कुछ सेल को पैदा किए. Wings in a culture and showed that the cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scale only if they were led the hormone from the gold spots. और इसी विंग का जो सेल से भी अगर हार्मोन अगर लेकर हम करते हैं तो it can produce a new butterfly. He gave new remarks. Yeah. Once I am reading this line, he grew cells from a monarch's wings in a culture and showed that the cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spots. That project won first place for the zoology at the international fair. Third number time he got first place. Second time and third time first place. 3 times because of this discovery. Yeah. He spent the summer after graduation doing further work at the Army laboratory. Once again, in the summer, third number year also, he did the work in Army laboratory, okay, and at the laboratory of the U.S. Department of Agriculture. In which place? Laboratory of the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Yes, in this place, he did the work. The following summer, how many summers he already passed? 3 summers we have seen. Or more than 3, okay. After his freshman year at Howard University, Eve Wright went back to the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture the following summer. Yeah, after his freshman year at Harvard University. Harvard University में सीखने के बाद, yes, Eve Wright went back to the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture and did more work on the hormone from the gold spots. इसी gold spot हार्मोन से और भी ज़्यादा कुछ करना उसके प्रयास किए. Did more work in this hormone. Let's see. and from the gold spots. Okay, using the laboratory's sophisticated instrument. Sophisticated means something odd. Okay, he was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. Finally, he got hormone's chemical structure. Chemical structure of the molecule. Okay, let's see. A year and a half later, 1.5 साल के बाद, year and a half later, during his junior year, junior means कम उम्र में, Eve Wright got the idea for his new theory about cell life. Yeah, he got the new theory about cell life. What is new theory about cell life? Let's discuss. It came while he was looking at X-ray photos. X-ray से photo लिया गया. All the chemical structure of the hormone. He got the new theory about cell life. Cell के life के बारे में नया उनको information मिला. When he saw those photos, उस photo में क्या देखे? Eve Wright did not shout Eureka. Eureka in Archimedes theory when he got this theory that gold and ornamental things, how the water, how can measure, the one of the story, to triumph of discovery, that is the Archimedes theory. कुछ नया चीज मिला उसमें जोश में आके चिल्लाना, that is यूरेका. तो वो नहीं चिल्लाया यूरेका बोल के. और even I have got it, but he believed that along with his finding about insect hormones, the photo gave him the answer to one of the biology puzzle. This photo जो लिए है X-ray of the structure of the cell, gave the new things, new terms of the biology puzzle. Surprising. Let's see what the puzzle. How the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. या DNA हम उसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं. संदेशान हम जान सकते हैं क्या? DNA is the substance in a nucleus of a cell that controls heredity. DNA से हेरिडिटी मतलब कौन सा जात होगा, कौन सा वंश होगा, कौन सा मतलब रूप होगा, या हेरिडिटी मीन्स पेरेंटल फिगर. ओके, इट्स डिटरमाइंस द फॉर्म एंड एक्स फंक्शन ऑफ द सेल. या व्हाट दिस DNA acts. Thus DNA is the blueprint for life. In this cell life, there is a blueprint for life. DNA is the blueprint for life. Let's see, he discovered all these things. Eve Wright and his college roommate James R. Romm worked all that night drawing pictures and construction plastic models and molecules to show how it could happen. Together they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. I can say hard work pay. Eve Wright and his college roommates. Now Eve Wright was in college and with his friends he did the hard labor. What he did? James R. Romm, one of the college friend, worked all that night on drawing pictures. उसका पिक्चर बना दे गए, constructing plastic models, प्लास्टिक का भी मॉडल बनाए, और molecules to show how it could happen. What could happen? This DNA is the life of the cell and how it moves. They can describe. Okay. Together they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. इसको theory के बाद पेपर में नोट्स बनाए, चित्र बनाए to show the experiment in the science exhibition. Okay. Surprising no one who knew him, Richard Eve Wright graduated from Harvard with highest honors. Yeah, in Harvard University. Okay. Harvard, University, he got the graduate, and he got the second position, second in his class of 1,510 students. Eve Wright went on to become a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical Science School. That he began doing experiments to test his theory. Now he has made a theory, now he will experiment. Now, when he qualified his graduate degree and he got the second position, then out of the student 1510, and he went to the researcher at Harvard Medical School, and there he started his experiment to test his theory. Okay, if the theory proves correct, theory अगर साबित हो जाता है, it will be a big step towards understanding the processes of life. Processes of life. About the butterfly, about the life scale and DNA, etc. Okay. It might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer and other diseases. Yeah, so that will also help in the medicine, the cancer and the fatal disease, just like that will helpful. So from the for the science, you have to take the very beautiful step. All of this is possible because of Eve Wright's scientific curiosity. Why it is possible? Curiosity. My dear student, curiosity is the beginning of your journey. Curiosity. आपकी मनोइच्छा आपकी सक्सेस के लिए एक ठो रास्ता है. Let's see curiosity. Scientific curiosity. His high school research into the purpose of the spots on a monarch pupa eventually led him to his theory about cell life. Yeah, about the cell life. What happened? His high school research in the purpose of spot on the monarch pupa, that is the golden spot I have here, the hormone from their gut hormones, or the monarch pupa eventually led him to his theory about cell life. From there he knows a lot about the DNA, etc. He knew more about this butterfly. Okay. Richard E. Wright has been interested in science since he first began collecting butterfly. Yeah, from the childhood, he became a great enthusiastic person to know more about. Okay, but not so deeply that he has not time for other interests. E. Wright also became the champion debater. Yeah, debate match में champion होते थे, and public speaker. Yeah, good speaker. And a good canoeist. Canoeist means who have the light boats sailing, and all around outdoors persons. Outdoor person means घूमने वाले बहुत they enjoy the beauty of life. Okay, he is also an expert photographer, cameraman, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits. What type of photo he takes? Nature and scientific exhibits, not ordinary photo, but the photo that is helpful in science, that type of photo he takes. Okay. In high school, Richard E. Wright was a straight student, means very straight. Straight means very strong, very uplifting person, very successful person. Because learning was easy, he turned a lot of his energy towards the debating and modeling United Nations Club. वो अपना ज़्यादा समय किसमें बिताते थे? He turned a lot of his energy, अपना जो शक्ति है, in debating and model in United Nations Club. या क्लब में मतलब how to improve his level. Okay. He also found someone to admire, Richard A. Weheller, his social studies teacher. Yeah, social studies teacher उसको बहुत तारीफ करते थे because of his activity. He also found someone to admire, Richard A. Heller, his social studies teacher and advisor to both clubs. Mr. Weller was the perfect person for me then. Now, E. Wright also give credits to social studies teacher. Yeah, Mr. Weheller. Mr. Weheller. Yes. Was the perfect person for me then. Now, E. Wright give credit to the social studies teacher. He opened my mind to new idea. He told that because of this, E. Heller was a good person, gave him some inspiration. It's okay. That's why he was influenced by social studies teacher. It's clear. E. Bright's view, and he says about that person, social studies teacher. Richard would always give that extra effort. Mr. Weherer tells to E. Bright that E. Bright what would Richard would always give that extra effort. Extra effort मतलब और ही ज़्यादा प्रयास करना, कम से ज़्यादा. जैसे आप कम पढ़ते हैं कम मार्क पाओगे, मीडियम पढ़ते हैं मीडियम मार्क, एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ेंगे तो एक्स्ट्रा मार्क भी जुड़ेगा, आप क्लास में अच्छा रिजल्ट लेके पास करोगे. एक्स्ट्रा, वी हैव टू बी एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, वी हैव टू ऑर्डिनरी, yeah, but you should not be extraordinary but extra. Yes, what pleased me was, here was this person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night, hours at night doing debate research beside doing all his research with butterfly and his other interests. Now this Mr. Weherer tells कि what he tells, what pleased me was, क्या मुझे अच्छा लगता है उसका बोले, here was this person who put 3 or 4 hours at night doing debate research, debate के लिए रिसर्च करते थे, beside doing, उसको छोड़ के भी all research with butterfly and his other interests about the butterfly study, also other research. So hard labor I can say, and because a hard worker and extra effort, and Mr. Weherer like Bright. Okay, Richard was competitive. Hello, this is the age of competitive, and my dear student, that you should be competitive. Yes, कि as Richard was competitive, I can say student you should be also competitive. Then also you can exist. Okay, Richard was competitive. Mr. Weherer continued, but not in a bad sense. Yeah, negative. Bad sense means not negative. He explained, Richard was not interested in winning for winning sake or winning to get a prize. बहुत सारे लोग कॉम्पिटिशन में उसमें लेते हैं प्राइज पाने के लिए और सर्टिफिकेट के लिए ही लेते हैं. अगर सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला तो चेहरा उठा के चिढ़ाते हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चों का चेहरा ऐसे रहता है, और उनको कुछ करे नहीं करो, कहीं से भी सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाए फर्स्ट या सेकंड पोजीशन बाय चीटिंग ऑल्सो. बट E. Bright's life was not like that. He was not working only to get certificate. I'm reading once again. He explained Richard was not interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. Rather, he was winning because he wanted to do the best job he could. इतना बेहतरीन करे उसके लिए उसको रिवार्ड मिली, ना कि नाउ डेज बहुत सारे बच्चे चीटिंग करके भी फर्स्ट सेकंड प्राइज पा सकते हैं. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? आप में क्वालिटी है ही नहीं, प्राइज मिला, मीनिंगलेस, उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. फॉर द राइट रीजन्स he wants to be the best. This line, right reason he wants to be the best, not any ordinarily. Yeah. So the last paragraph I am going to discuss, and that is one of the ingredients in the making of a science. That is one of the ingredients. Do you know ingredients is the items which prepare a cook, prepares any item. So for a scientist, this what ingredients? That he was extra effort, hard labor, giving more time and lots of time and practice and giving more interest. These are the ingredients. Okay, in the making of a scientist, start with a first-rate mind. Yes, add curiosity, interest, and mix in the will to win for the right reason. Will to win, जीतने के लिए मतलब सही रीजन से जीतना है, not inordinately. That means E. Bright has these qualities. Yeah, you should have this quality as like as E. Bright. From the time the book, The Travel of Monarch X. Yeah, what is the book's name? The Travel of Monarch X. This was the beginning of the career of E. Bright. This book he got from his mother. And from there he had a curiosity to study more about this butterfly, and it make its destiny. It made him a new journey of the life. किसमें क्या चीज़ influence ला सकता है, that God knows. Okay. Once again reading, the travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him. Richard E. Bright has never lost his scientific curiosity. Yes, he proceed on to the further improvement and achieve his new goal and new interest in curiosity in science. I hope to say the lesson also inspire you, whatever your profession are to be in future. But this life lesson may inspire you that one day you also follow his path and to labor hard to success. Now you are facing the class 10. This lesson may more inspire you to get this position according to your hard work. I hope so. So study well and meet you once again in the coming periods. Till that time, have a good day and goodbye.